This 26-inch monitor resurrects old arcades? Unico Phoenix ULM26 review. 4x3 CRT killer? You ever stare at your old arcade cabinet, wishing you could bring it back to life, but that busted CRT monitor just sits there, mocking you like a pixelated ghost from the past? Yeah, we've been there. The washed-out colors, screen burn-in, flickering lines, it's like trying to relive your childhood through a dusty VHS tape. You've got the cabinet, the joystick, the heart, but the visuals? They're straight-up tragic. Worse, you've probably wasted hours trying to hunt down a working CRT or fighting with Frankenstein replacements that just don't fit or sync right. Frustration is real, friend. And then comes the stress spiral. You're juggling adapters, wrestling with refresh rates, praying your wiring doesn't fry something. Meanwhile, your retro dream machine just sits there, dead. Maybe it's for your man cave, your barcade, your business, or maybe it's just a nostalgic project to blow off steam. Either way, watching that screen fade to black instead of blasting enemies in full 8-bit glory is crushing. Every day it sits unused is a day of missed memories, missed revenue, and missed joy. Honestly, it feels like arcade heartbreak in 60 Hz. But plot twist, here's your cheat code, the Unico 26-inch arcade monitor, ULM26 Phoenix series. This beast is a true 4x3 LCD upgrade, tailor-made to resurrect 99% of classic arcade setups. We're talking buttery 1024 by 768 HD clarity, no burn-in, and support for CGA, EGA, HDMI, and VGA, all with 1 millisecond response time and wide 176 degrees viewing angles. Plus, it slides in and syncs up smoother than a quarter drop at Donkey Kong. This isn't some fragile flat panel knockoff, it's a durable, precision-built revival engine for your most cherished cabinets. Get ready to relive your best gaming days, without the static fuzz. The ULM26 is a plug-and-play hero, easy brackets, built-in connectors, and OSD controls let you tweak every pixel to perfection. No buzzing fans. No ghosting. Just rich, vivid color and screen real estate optimized for that nostalgic 4x3 arcade feel. Whether you're restoring a QIOP cabinet, modding an arcade 1-up, or building a custom retro beast, this monitor slaps. Want smoother installs? Better brightness? Zero lag? You just found your holy grail. So don't just watch your arcade dream fade into memory, reboot it. The Unico ULM26 is in high demand in short supply, and once it's gone, your CRT era glory might be too. Thousands of DIYers and arcade fanatics have already made the switch. Why not join them? Grab yours now, fire it up, and hear that sweet, sweet startup chime again. Because let's be honest, you're not just replacing a monitor, you're reviving a legacy. Smash that play button, hit subscribe, and level up your arcade life today.